Yan go na parang ke pada. Go Dhamma, go Dhamma. Go 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 go. Go go. Sini go Dhamma. Sini boy.
Oh, wait, what?
Montgomery Upper Middle School. She has been learning music from Nirmala Auntie for the past 7 years. Whatever she has learned in Carnatic music is all from Nirmala Auntie. She likes it when Auntie always challenges her by teaching her more complicated music. For example, a kriti with many sandhis, or to try manodharma, are examples of some challenges. Initially, when Auntie suggested that she try Kalpana Swaram, she thought that this was something that she couldn't attempt. With their continuous support and guidance, she was able to attempt it. After trying Kalpana Swarams, Auntie suggested that she try Alapana, and she liked it even more. With their first step into Manodharma, she's learning to appreciate how Carnatic music provides abundant scope for creativity within a structured framework. Auntie constantly encourages her to be an active listener by encouraging them to attend concerts and hear music from various online sources. Under the guidance and support from Auntie, she has participated in won Pavanasam, Sivanand, Samana GCD competitions. She sincerely thanks Auntie for all her efforts in teaching them this great art form, and she looks forward to learning more.
वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम वातापि गणपतिं भजे वातापि गणपतिं भजे वातापि गणपतिं भजे वातापि na
I told Nikki to do that. What are you guys doing?
It was a fantastic concert, Sanjana. Thank you so much. Very well done. And as I think it was mentioned in the intro to her concert, she has been a long time student, one of the earliest students of Nirmala Rajesh from many years ago. And it's great to have seen her develop through all of these years in her musical career and be able to perform as a mini concert artist. So that's wonderful. So you've heard about every one of Nirmala's students throughout the morning's function. There were a few lines given for each one of the students who participated as groups. Now it's my opportunity to give you a quick bio on the fabulous mridangist that we had throughout this morning's function, Mr. Sridhar Parthasarathy, who is very kind and generous enough to donate his time for this morning's program. Sridhar Parthasarathy, if you don't know, is a 10th grader from Hillsborough High School. He learns Mridangam from his guru Prakash Rao and has for the past 9 years. He's won many prizes in Samana and the Cleveland Aradhana competitions, and he just had his Mridangam Arangetram this summer, a few weeks ago. He also participates in the Science Olympiad and Debate Club at school. He learns vocal Carnatic music from Shri Ashwin Bogendra, and he's thankful for this opportunity and wishes all the students very good luck in pursuing their interest in this art form. And we thank you, Shri, for lending us your valuable Mridangam support today. Thank you. once again, we want to express our deep appreciation and our thank you. First off, to my wife, Mrs. Nirmala Rajesh. From coming into this country newly 10 years ago when we got married, she right away had the idea to start giving Carnatic vocal lessons, and that soon has become and developed into a whole school of music to involve so many of the members of the bike run and local communities over here. I just don't know how she does it between her own vocal training and us performing as a duet on occasion, and all of her violin training and her violin lessons, and then taking classes for so many students in person, all while managing a household and 2 children as well. She truly is a very dedicated person, very talented, organized, and so gifted and talented, and express our deep appreciation, as I'm sure all of our students have and do, to how well she has put together today's program. So thank you. Thanks, of course, to all of the students who worked so hard, both the adults and children alike. They put in a lot of time and a lot of effort to prepare for today's function, and it has certainly not gone unnoticed. You all performed so well, and it's great to see the first annual, what we hope is going to be an annual tradition of Nirmala's School of Music kick off with such a brilliant performance today. Thanks also to all of the parents for your encouragement and your continued support of this art form. Thanks also to the presentations that actually caught me by surprise. I wasn't even expecting that as a part of today's annual function, but all presentations by each of the composers of the Trinity were so beautifully done. So thank you for the children who put together those wonderful displays and who got up here to add some insight to that. Henna Heens, Saumya Venkatesh, and who is the other one? Kavesh. Yes, Kavesh. All 3 of you, I think, or all 4 of you are going to be future MCs from the way that you were able to present so eloquently and interact with the audience. So that was so nice to see. Just a few other announcements before I hand it off to Nirmala for some closing remarks. As many of you know, I function as the current Vice President of Semana, and we do have our 40th anniversary program coming up next weekend. It is on Saturday and Sunday, September 24th and 25th. Ayush, you're too noisy. 40th anniversary program next Saturday and Sunday, 24th and 25th. It is at Terrell Middle School in Scotch Plains, New Jersey. There are cards, color printed cards advertising this program that are available for you to pick up on your way out near the front. And you can also go on to our website at simana.org to learn more about this function. We do have 4 wonderful artists, Sandeep Narayanan, Ramakrishna Murthy, Ranjini Gayatri, and Kanyakumari performing over the 2 days. We have honorary patron ceremonies as well as a Sangeeta Sagra Award ceremony to Ms. Kanyakumari, all planned as a part of the 2-day festival. So please come out and join us. As I mentioned, cards are out in front, and we also have a new website of Semana that is scheduled to go live today or in the very near future. And as a promotional offer, all event tickets and passes are available at 10% off their published rate. So if you hurry and buy your tickets and your passes, they're 10% off at this point. As many of you know, Nirmala's group of students will be singing as a part of the many local teachers that we will exhibit during that festival over the Saturday and the Sunday. And I think her group of students is scheduled to sing on that Saturday morning. So please come out and attend that portion of the program as well, if not anything else. I mentioned before, at the start of the program that we do have silk cotton kurtas for sale over there at that round table on my right. All of the proceeds from the sales of those kurtas, which are very nominally priced by the way, are to go to the Asha Jyoti Orphanage. So please do browse and take a look while you're having your lunch in just a few minutes. want to thank all of the volunteers who helped with the food preparations and bringing of all the other supplies and helped to set up the lunch right now, as well as the rugs and loads of other things to help make this function possible. Just a quick reminder, we will go into lunch right after Nirmala delivers her closing remarks, and we have the prize distribution ceremony to present prizes to all of the children at Sridhar. We only have this hall available until 2 p.m. so request everyone's cooperation to please help us, if everybody can pitch in and help us take care of the cleanup and the rearrangement of all of the furniture, just as how we found it this morning, so that we can all vacate by 2 p.m. would be greatly appreciated. Thank you all so very much for coming again today and for your attention, and I will hand it to Nirmala right now for the closing.
Hello everyone. Wow. I think first of all, these kids, they deserve another round of big applause. They all did an amazing job. Most of the kids came back from India only a couple of weeks ago, so they were able to practice while they were in India on their summer vacation, and I think they did a wonderful job. I have a couple of people to thank here. First of all, I wanted to thank Mridangam support Sridhar Parthasarathy and his parents for bringing in and accepting a request to play for our kids, and it's been amazing to have him. He was just awesome. We attended his Arangetram couple last month, and he was just outstanding. I also wanted to thank the parents and volunteers, the food volunteers, and all the parents who have arranged them, and right from the morning they were helping us with the decoration, the setup. So I wanted to thank everybody. I also wanted to thank Vaijayanti for helping us with the flyer. She was the one who actually framed the flyer for us. I wanted to thank Sudha Rao for helping us in the write-up. I wanted to thank the MCs and the presentation kids and the parents for helping the kids. I also wanted to thank my parents, my mom and dad, my sister who are advising me, and my father-in-law for watching the kids. Out of all, I wanted to thank my husband Rajesh for supporting me, encouraging me, advising me, and if it was not for him, I wouldn't be here now. So I wanted to thank everybody, and I'm looking forward for the next year and the coming years for all another excellent year like this. Thanks all. And so I request the students to come up to get their participation trophy here. And I also wanted to do something different this year. I know how difficult it is for the parents to bring them over to the class and wait and then come and pick them up. I have few kids coming from Hillsborough and so dedicated. So I thought I would have one of the parents along with the child come over in here and accept the trophy with them. So I think it's a trophy deserved equally between the parents and the kids. Thanks all again. So,